Or you have supernatural ways as well. You know, you draw stuff and you see it. It manifests in reality in real time. That's some supernatural stuff. No one talks about that stuff. Or you create an object and then you just a touch of light and it comes to life, or a touch of darkness and it just takes form, or you just put a little red into a green pepper, a little red into a green pepper, and it becomes rich and filled with life. This is what art does. This is art. You painting a pepper, and it's fascinating because you put a little darkness and it just takes a form. It just takes formation, and it happens instantaneously.